What's up, you guys? Shelly, the Forex TradeHER here, heavy on the her, and it's very much so male-dominant industry. I'm bringing some more ladies on board throughout the year because, fellas, we trade too, and we need y'all to know that, okay? Now, this video is going to be covering how to incorporate a loss into your profit goal spreadsheet. A lot of you guys have been using that profit goal spreadsheet since I made the last video, and that makes me so excited. I literally just received a message today from one of my followers saying that they literally are up 200% profit since utilizing that spreadsheet. So that makes me so happy. I am up myself 40% already, a little over 40%, and I just started using it a little less than a week ago. So 40% profit in less than 7 days, I will definitely take that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to calculate your losses, because I did take a loss and I did have to update my spreadsheet to reflect that, as well as so it can reflect throughout the remaining of the profits. So I'm going to share my screen and we are going to dive right into this, and I'm going to show y'all, excuse me, what you guys need to see. So I am going to do this example on the spreadsheet that I linked for you guys in the last video, so that you'll have it whenever you use this thing. Let me move this picture out the way, put it in the corner a bit more. So this is mine right here. This is my personal one. And this is the one that I gave you guys. We're going to use the one that I gave y'all. And I'm going to show you how to calculate your loss, no matter what the percent is, because my personal profit goal is just a little bit over $100 starting balance, and I am doing 10% a day. This one is set for 8%. One of my trades that I took, I think it was day 2, I lost around 6.6% profit, which was okay because I'm shooting for 10%. So I only lost just a little bit over half of the profit I made. But like I said, I'm up 40%. So I've already made that money back. So yeah, let me show you how you will calculate your loss. So let's say you were shooting for 8% profit, and let's say you lost maybe 3%. So your first day, went good. This day, instead of you getting the 233, you actually took a loss. So what you're going to do is, instead of this saying C4, we're going to make it say 3.3. Actually, hold on, you guys. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. I don't want to give y'all the wrong information. Okay, so let's go back here. By the way, if you don't already have this spreadsheet, I will link another link for this under this video, and you'll be able to access it that way. But you also should watch the other videos showing you how to actually use it. If you just heard my dog, y'all, I'm sorry. Somebody just came in the house as I'm recording. So let me see. So yeah, negative 6.6. So as you can see, like I said, I lost negative 6.6% on this trade. So I'm going to go back to this one. And what we're going to do is we're going to put negative 3%. Negative 3.00%. Enter. Now, as you can see, this changed all of these below it, and that's because this was set to equal whatever was in this box. So what I'm going to do for this is we're going to change this one, and we're going to make it equal this 8%, because even though we took a loss, you guys, we still are shooting for overall 8% for our overall profit. So now that I put this to equal back to 8%, this is going to be set to equal that, and then this is going to be set to equal that, and so forth. So now we have this for our negative 3%, because that'll be our loss. And then, of course, I have to fix a couple more things on here so you guys will have this set right. So now that we have our negative 3% As you can see, because this is negative 3%, it's reflecting the loss that took place. So instead of it being added to it, it is actually subtracted from it. So this is the balance that you will have if you were to lose 3% profit versus gaining 8%. Also, take into thought that you started with $200, hypothetically speaking, you were up $16 profit for 8%, but because you lost 3%, you're now at $209.52. So what that means is you lost 3% profit, you're still in profit for overall $9, and you're still in profit for overall about 5%. So that is that. Now, I am going to change this to now be reflected to show you the profit goal for what this would be. So let me just make sure this says the right stuff. Bear with me, y'all. I'm about to go back and double check to make sure how I did this. Yeah, so that, and then that, and then, yeah. So now let me go back to this one, and we are going to make sure this matches with that, and this should be multiplied. So you see how this, we're gonna delete all of this, you guys, and we're gonna redo this because it's actually trying to multiply it by the negative 3.0%. So we're gonna take the 2.09.52, also known as column B5, B row 5. We're gonna multiply that by 8%, and then we're gonna add that back to our initial amount. And we're gonna enter it. And now, basically, so for your first day, you hit your 8% profit. The second day you took a loss, so it shows that you lost $6. And then overall, day 3, you came back and you made your 8%. So you profited $16, excuse me, and that is on top of that 209. So now you are at 226.28, and then so forth. And let's just say you get down to day 7, and let's just say you lose another 3%. You will literally take this and make it equal negative 3.00%. And then again, you guys, it's going to change every single one because these are set to equal each other. So what we're going to do is for this one, we're going to make this equal. Oops. We're going to make this equal this one because it's 8%. So all of these, it'll work out. It's going to reflect itself. So now that day we lost 3%. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure this is multiplying by 3%. So right now, this is actually multiplying by 8%. So I'm going to erase this, and we're going to take this day's profit, multiply it by negative 3%, add it to what our initial balance was, and then this will reflect that negative 3% that you lost. Now, this one is going to show you what you will make. So just remember to change this one to make sure it's not multiplying by negative 3%. You want to make sure for your day 8, you take your day 7, which is the loss, the lower value because you lost 3%. And you're going to take that for day 8, multiply it by 8%, and then you're going to add it back to what your initial balance was. And then now these are all going to be set to reflect the money that you're going to make for your daily profit goal. And then as you can see right here, this is showing the dollar amount that you lost instead of gained because you lost 3%. And this can be whatever amount you lose. If it's 2%, just change it to 2%, and then all of these will reflect as such. But that is how you incorporate your losses into your profit goals, you guys, so that you can actually keep up with everything and monitor everything. And actually, I'm going to add a change in here that I made to mine. so that you guys can have it as well. Where is this it? No. Let me see. There we go. So insert a column to the right. And this is what I added to mine. And actually it's on the other side. So it's over, I added a couple things. So insert column to the right, daily profit goal. So for this one, I believe I have it as pair, so that you can put what pair you're taking for your trade. So like if it's NZUSD or GBPUSD, you know, you can put it in there. And then I also have position, so you could put your buy or your sell. And then down here at the end, and I mean, you could put this anywhere. I guess I could put it right here, or I could put it next to this one. And y'all can change this however you want to. But for this one, I put, what did I put? Let me see. I put win or loss, yeah. So you can put whether you won or lost the trade. So I hope that this video helps you guys a ton. I literally, like I said, if we go and look at my profit goal real quick, you'll see that day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, I am at day 5. And this honestly was one trade, you guys. It just happened to hit the take profit, and it was enough profit to cover a couple days. So now I don't even have to force any trades. I'm probably not going to take another trade until maybe Thursday or Friday, or maybe even wait till the weekend for cryptos. But I don't have to force any trades because I literally have only taken 3 trades in total. And now I'm up literally 10, 20, 30. I'm up 40% profit already just from implementing this profit go strategy. So I highly suggest you guys use this and incorporate your losses, like I said, so that you can make sure all your calculations are accurate. And yeah, like I said, watch the other video. I will leave that link below. And don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel, y'all. I'm bringing the heat every week.